How to set app to high priority on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set or change the priority of an app in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the app that you want to change the priority for. In my case, I've got Discord. So I'll just open the Discord. And once you have opened it, simply hit to the taskbar and right click anywhere on it and choose Task Manager. And once Task Manager opens, you can simply click on Details tab on the left, and if you're not sure which one that is, just hover over the icons until you see it. Now scroll through the list to find your app, and here I'm looking for Discord, and here once you have found it, simply right click on it. And from the pop-up menu, simply hover over the set priority and then choose the level that you want. High, above normal, normal, or even real time, but I'm setting mine to high. And after that, it will prompt you to confirm, so just click on change priority and that's it. Now you have just told Windows to give more attention to that app, which can help with performance in some cases. And that's it. That's how you can set app to high priority in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.